How to get Facebook page review link. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get Facebook page review links. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Facebook. So head over to your Facebook and make sure you're logged in into your page. Then head over to your page's, your page. And after you're here, you will see the review section. Tap on review and there we go. If you don't have any reviews right here, what you'll need to do to share the link for the review page is right click on this review right here and copy the link address. After you copy the link address, you can then open up another web browser. After you open up another web browser, just paste the link. Make sure you share this link first. And after they open up this link, you'll notice that they will be redirected to the review section where they can simply start reviewing your page. Now here you can simply start reviewing. You can recommend this to someone as well. And that's basically how you do this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.